Hello friends, good day to you all. In this video I will show you how to withdraw in your IPC, how to withdraw from IPC wallet, that is from your USDT wallet. As you can see, I have $66 USDT in my account. So I want to show you how you can do it step by step, how you can withdraw from IPC. This is instant withdrawal, and I will show you how I get it done to prove to you that IPC is really paying. So I want to show you how to go about it step by step. Right now, after you have successfully logged into your IPC account, then so the next thing for you, to do is, okay, let me wait for it to load. The network is a bit poor, so I want to show you how you can go about it. You must have set your USDT wallet address. You must have set it already before you can initiate a withdrawal. And also don't forget to include two authentication so that your account will be secured. Okay, so now for you to withdraw, you just need to click on transaction. So click on the transaction icon, click on the transaction button, then click on withdrawal. After you have clicked on transaction, then you click on withdrawal. So don't forget that I told you you must have added your USDT wallet address in your payment account. You must have added it before you are going to initiate a withdrawal. Okay, so let's wait for it to come up. So after you have clicked on transaction, then you will click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. So let's wait for it to come up. The network is a bit poor. Okay, so after you have done that, then you will now input the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget 3 USDT will be charged. That is the transaction fee. For withdrawal. So then you type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then you are going to select your wallet. You select your wallet. So mine, I have $66 there, but I will be given $63 because $3 will be charged for the withdrawal fee. So then I will click on verify, and the OTP will be sent to your registered email address. So that is where you are going to get your one-time password from a registered email address. You are going to get it there. So after when you get the verification code, then you now input it. So let me check for the verification code in my email address. Okay, it has arrived. Okay, so it has arrived in my email. So after then you are going to paste it. So after paste, then you click on submit. So when you click on submit, so the response is withdrawal successful. Your withdrawal request processed successfully. So you are going to wait for some seconds for it to be approved, and then you are going to receive it in your wallet address. You can see the $66 has been deducted from my account now. It has been deducted. So that is how to. Hello, what? As you can see, my withdrawal as it has reflect in my account. So don't forget that I withdrew $63, and now it has reflect in my account. So it doesn't take time. At all. So you can see I have my $63 USDT deposit successful. You have deposited 63 USDT, and see So that is the best. That is how to go about it. IPC withdrawal is instant, and you are going to get your money reflecting in your account, in your wallet, as soon as possible. You can see, don't forget that $3 will be deducted for the withdrawal fee. I have $66 in my USDT account, but now I have 63 as my withdrawal because $3 has been deducted from the account. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is dedicated to share with you online information, online methods on how to earn residual income, how to be financially free, secured, and settled. Alright, so if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and set it to all notification, and give this video the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Like and share to friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious